Have you remembered those times like when you like a music on YouTube app? So what happens that music suddenly pops up in your YouTube music library. So whenever you open like your like music in the YouTube music app, you will suddenly see that song has been added to your YouTube music library. But what if you don't want that to happen? What if you want to keep both the YouTube and YouTube music app separate? So in this video I'll show you like how you can do that. So for that, first let me just share my phone screen with you guys. So okay, so as you can see my phone screen, so like let me first show you that in my YouTube music app, the first song is, let it just wait, yes, the first song is this one. So and if I just go to YouTube app and just if I go to this song, that is Sapphire by Ed Sheeran. So when I press the like button on the YouTube app, so what happens is that if I just go back and come back in, what happens when you go back and come back in is that it just refreshes the music library feed like on your phone. So as you can see, the Sapphire by Ed Sheeran has been added to my YouTube music library app, but you don't want that to happen. You want to just like keep both the YouTube music and the music app separate. So for that to happen, what you need to do is open YouTube music app, make sure like then click on your profile button, like the button as you can see at the top right, click on that, then click on the settings button, then after that come down to recommendation option, then as you can see show your music, like music from YouTube. So if you turn this off, so what happens is that like if I go back and choose another song, like which one, all of them are my like song. So like if I just again, not this one, okay, so okay, as you can see this song is not been liked by me, that is this is not in my like music app, this is not my liked song. So what if I just like this song right now over on the YouTube app? So as you can see I've liked it on my YouTube app, but as you can like when I open my YouTube app, music app and go to my like music, as you can see that thing like that music has not appeared on my YouTube music app. So this is how you can keep both the YouTube music and YouTube app separate, so that a song that has been added to one app doesn't appears in the another app. So yes, this is how you can keep both of them separate. So like if you like the like this, like my video, then do give it a like and share it with your friends. And if you want more content like this, do subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you